Hi, I'm Dr. Greg Relo at Express Dentist. Many people would like to have straighter teeth. Smile is a very important personal characteristic. In fact, it's considered the number one characteristic that people notice in surveys when asked that question. And having said that, there's a lot of adults that didn't have braces when they were kids, and they certainly don't want to do that now. So the question is, do clear aligners work well for straightening? And the answer is almost always yes. I would say about 90% of the time that clear aligners are going to work well for an adult patient. And, so what are clear aligners? You've probably seen them. They look like little trays, like little clear trays, maybe like a bleach tray. They're made of a medical grade plastic, and that medical grade plastic is designed to move your teeth. And the way that's done is that scans are taken digitally of your teeth, or impressions are taken of your teeth, and then there's a special software that's used to design a series of aligners. So the software helps predict that if you put pressure on certain teeth, that they'll move in a certain direction, and then that series of trays can be created so that each one does something a little bit different in that serial fashion. And typically those trays are changed out every 1 to 2 weeks. And so sometimes you feel the pressure in one area more than another. And then on the next tray, you'll feel more pressure in another segment. And they are very effective at moving teeth. In some ways, they can be more effective than metal braces because there's not as much trial and error. You're using a software program that's pretty intelligent. When technicians use it to set up the case, they know that if we apply pressure here, then this will move, and then we apply pressure here. And so that can make it actually very efficient in terms of moving the teeth to the places that they belong. And so that's a really nice benefit of clear aligners. Of course, another benefit is that they're clear, So at the beginning, I mentioned that a lot of adults don't want to have metal at this point. And so this is a way that you can straighten your teeth. And for the most part, people can't really tell that that's taking place. Now, the other thing about clear aligners is nice is that it's much easier to eat. You can take them out and you can eat, and then you can put them back in. For most systems, as long as you're wearing them about 22 hours a day, they're going to work really well. So that's a couple hours off, which isn't bad. You can usually get some good meals in and cleaning as well, which is another benefit of clear aligners, is that you're able to clean properly. You don't have wires and brackets and elastics to work around, and you can take them out and you can clean the way that you normally would. And so there's much less risk of problems while you're in orthodontic treatment. And, I mentioned a few minutes ago that it can be more efficient. And that's a huge benefit because a lot of traditional orthodontic cases can take up to 2 years to finish. The nice thing with clear aligners is you might be done in 6 months, maybe a year. And so the treatment times are very short. There's one other benefit that's kind of a bonus that I like, is that a lot of times with an aligner, when either during the treatment or after, you can use that as a whitening tray. So because it's a vacuum formed tray that's molded to your teeth, you can use professional whitening products and put into that aligner, and it will hold it against your teeth and actually do some nice whitening. So who doesn't want straighter, whiter teeth, and to get it all in the same process is pretty cool. So clear aligners are something to think about, especially for adults, but for teens that are responsible and won't lose those aligners, it's also something that can be very beneficial. So if that sounds like something that you're interested in, or you'd like to just see what's possible, we have a trusted network of providers all around the country, and there are many of them that are proficient with clear aligners or other types of orthodontic treatment. So if that interests you, or you just need a general checkup, please reach out to us and we will help you find someone that can help you with your smile. So take care of your teeth and they will take care of you.